Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 45. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Officer Song, Linian's cousin. The two of them finally meet again after a failed date before. But right now, Song Yu-hang, she's suddenly surprised. There's a girl sitting in front of Lin Yan. Are you tired? Your dad heard that you are sick. Now, I came to see you especially. Well, who is this girl? Why suddenly she came here to see Lin Yan? But right now, it was Lin Yan's father. Lin Yu Yan is the current wife. Right now, who is this girl? Look, I'm only at home. I also cook the seafood soup myself. The girl said to Lin Yan. Well, what do you think? Seems that she was not her mother. Although right now Lin Yan answered her and said to her, Oh, Lin Yu Yan, asked you to come. Lin Yan pertaining to her dad. How can you call your dad that? This girl seems to be angry. Your dad still cares about you very much. The girl said to her. Again, you should call me mom for love. Oh, it turns out, this girl, is she really her stepmother? She seems to be arrogant towards Lin Yan. What? Where did you make your face? It's well maintained. Lin Yan said to the girl. Yes, I think, according to you, I think it also. You are older than me. It's more than 30. It's time to take good care of it. Right now, it seems that Lin Yan's stepmother is good for nothing. She's talking nonsense at this moment. Her cousin seems to be, it was finished. Of course, doing everything like this is new to Song Yu-hang. That's why right now, she is puzzled on what things are happening at this moment. Who did his face? Her father? The door is not full. How did it leak it out? Go to your urology department to see if there is a problem. Never urinate and take a good look at how many kilograms you have, right? Now, it doesn't make sense. Since Song Yu-hang, she was really puzzled at this moment. Lin Yan said, I still want to be my mother. Do you match it? Of course, she will always want her mother. Real mother. Lin Yan, do you have a key? How many do you have? But right now, since she was arrogant, Lin Yan, you really have a good brother and good friend. And now I see how arrogant you can be. Well, let's take a look. Right now, her stepmom was going forward to her. Suddenly, Lin Yan, she was coughing at this moment. Well, maybe she feel really exhausted talking with the stepmother that she has. But since Song Yu-hang knows what will happen next, now she rashly grabbed the stepmother outside. Song Yu-hang carried out the stepmother. Well, it was really forceful. But of course, her stepmom really deserved this. She knows that Lin Yan is really sick, but she doesn't know where to put herself in. Well, suddenly, when she was outside, there's an old sophisticated woman, together with a bodyguard, coming through them. The door is closed hard. Well, could be. It was Lin Yan's mother coming through. Well, she's assuming that she's calling Lin Yan's mother a sister-in-law. Right now, Lin Yan's stepmom said, Yo, sister-in-law, what wind will give you a... Where did it came from? A pheasant? Lin Yan's mother said, stepmother, but looking at her face, seems to be no match for Lin Yan's mother. Vatiker said maybe it's from a nearby psychiatric hospital. Mrs. Lin, it was Lin Yan's mother, Lin Yan Yang. Madam, it is important to visit the lady. Bodyguard is telling the madam to go in, see Lin Yan's, and now the stepmom is waiting outside. Well, suddenly, Lin Yan's cousin and Song Yu-hang is waiting on the room. But suddenly, they got interrupted. Well, they really sure that stepmother is already outside. But who is the person knocking again? Well, it was Lin Yan. At this moment, she was looking at the two. Well, she looks really pale, although she was still looks stunning. She was really pretty. But at this moment, seems to be she was really in pain because of her sickness. But right now, Song Yung-han, so she's happy to help her out. Well, at this moment, Song Yung-han, she doesn't know how she feels. Of course, the two of them still fighting. They're on the police station. Mostly, the two of them are having arguments. But right now, it's really easy to satisfy. Turns out, Lin Yan, she is not hard to get to. But right now, she was really getting angry. Of course, at this moment, Song Yung-han, she is teasing her again, making her getting mad at her. Lin Yan, she was like a wild dragon at this moment. It is my mom, it is my mom. Brother said to Lin Yan. Well, they really opened the door. Their surprise, they really right. It was Lin Yan's mother entered the room. All of them are really surprised by the sudden visitation of Lin Yan's mother. Well, what's going on? Stepmother's still outside. Come on, Lin, are you still stunned? What? When her mother seeing her, she looks really in pain. Mother screamed and said, call the nurse. She was asking Lin Yan's cousin to call someone to see her if she is really well, since her mother is really worried. Did that neuropathy give you an anger again? You know my temper. It's fine if I don't eliminate her. Well, at this moment, Lin Yan trying to calm down her mom. But looking at the situation, her mom's really worried about her. Mom said, that's good. When she looked back, she was seeing Song Yung-han. Xiao Song. Song Yung-han greeted back. Said hello. Lin Yan's mother said, why are you here? Well, it seems that Lin Yan's mother knows Song Yung-han. Maybe because she was dating Lin Yan's cousin, also known as, she was calling him a brother. Right now, what could it be the in fact? Since Lin Yan is sick in the hospital, mother is really worried about her. Maybe she will find. Well, at this moment, let's really wait. There's nothing serious about illness of Lin Yan. Also, two of them are really getting better. Hey guys, thanks for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for supporting and joining the membership. Numi and unlike Frog. Bye!